Welcome everybody. In this video we will learn how to use our layout panel and how to export our drawing as a PDF or how to print our drawing basically. So as you can see in AutoCAD, we can see this is our model space where we draw, and there layout 1, layout 2 and others. You can make many other layouts. So the meaning of this layout panels is that suppose if you want to print in one page elevation and the other page rest of our drawing, so to do that, in layout 1 you will make a layout in just for the elevation and other will be the rest of our drawings. So this is for this reason this has been by default, this two has been created, but if you need more then you can create. So we will show you how to use it. Suppose we will click here in layout 2, so by default it shows like this. As you can see, this line shows that the printable area, the area that is called viewport. So now this is our model space. We need to make it as a paper space. So to that, click here. Now we will make some differences here, like right click here and select plot. And as you can see here, the paper size is something letter size. You don't need that. We need A4 size, suppose. So choose ISO A4, that is okay, and press OK. So it's okay. So we need to select a printer. As you can see now, we don't have any printer, so we will set it to print as a PDF. So to do that, DWG to PDF, apply to layout and OK. It's okay. Now we will not printing it right now, so just click here. So this dotted area shows that printable area of our printable area. Now this is the full A4 size, and this dotted line shows that this is the area where we have our drawing, and this line shows that only drawings will be in between these lines. So we can extend these lines. These lines are called viewport. So to do that, select on model, select these lines, click here and somewhere in here or some inside points like this, and here you can inside this dotted lines like this. Okay. Now suppose you need to see these drawings little bigger. So to do that, we need to change our scale. Okay, how to do that? To do that, we need to first go to paper space, and then this is the scale factor. So now it shows 0 point something 00 something. So suppose we need to use 1:100 scale. So 1:100 scale is little bigger for us. First we need to consider that in our page, our plan, elevation and section will be there. No designs are there. Design will be in a separate page. So to first we need to change it like 1:50. So 1:50 is very much. We cannot use 1:50. We have to use 1:100. 1:100 is also very weak. So you can also, by scrolling your mouse, set your scales. As you can see, if you zoom in, the scale is changing. So now we'll use the scale is 0.00 something, and this is perfect for our drawing. Now right click here, click on plot, just preview the drawing. So this is how it looks when it is printed or in PDF. Just close this and OK, and now give any directory where to save, name, give a name and save. Now as you can see, our PDF has been created. Now we can print it. The same way, if we want another layout, just click here. Another layout has been created, and suppose in this layout we just want our designs design center drawings. So to do that, first we will make sure that this page size is A4. This size is A4. Just select DWG to PDF. Select only ISO A4, not this one. Apply to layout and close this. Now we need to select our scale, and also this viewport can be extended like this. Now go to the paper space and zoom in. As you can see, the scale is changing like this. So this is the way our drawing we need. So just right click it, select dot, check preview. This is okay. Now if everything okay, then click OK and give the directory folder and just save it. Now we will just come back to our model space. So now we have completed our 2D portion of this course. In next video we will start learning how to make this plan in 3D. Thank you everyone.